Hello everyone, my friends. My name is Sophia. Today, I will tell you about shopping and saving money. Many people feel stressed when they go shopping. Clothes can be very expensive. Prices can be confusing. This can make us feel tired and worried. In this video, I want to help you feel calm. I want to show you how to shop smart. You do not need expensive clothes to feel good. You can choose simple clothes. You can save your money and feel happy. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. You can relax and listen. You can learn step by step. Today I am here with my husband Michael. We will go shopping together. We will look for good prices. We will talk about smart choices. Are you ready? Let's start. First, Michael and I walk into the clothing store. The store is big and clean. The lights are bright and warm. Soft music plays in the background. The sound is quiet and calm. I feel relaxed when I walk inside. There are many clothes around us. I see shirts, pants, and jackets. Some clothes are red, some clothes are blue, some clothes are white and soft. The colors look fresh and nice. Then we see many sale signs. The signs are big and clear. They say sale and discount. The letters are red and bright. I feel curious and happy. I like sales because I like to save money. Michael smiles and looks around. He feels calm, too. We walk slowly together. We do not hurry. Shopping feels easy today. Next, I touch some clothes. The fabric feels soft in my hands. One sweater feels warm and smooth. Another shirt feels light and thin. I like to touch clothes before I buy them. This helps me choose better. I look at the price tags. Some prices are low, some prices are high. One jacket looks very nice. The color is dark blue. The fabric feels strong and thick, but the price is very high. I stop and think. The jacket is beautiful, but it is expensive. I ask myself a question. Do I really need this jacket? I think about my money. After that, I try another item. I pick up a simple white shirt. The shirt feels soft and comfortable. The price is cheap. I smile when I see the price. This feels good. But there is a small problem. The size is not right. The shirt is too big for me. I feel a little disappointed. I take a slow breath. I stay calm. I talk to myself inside my mind. I tell myself to be patient. I remind myself of my goal. I want to shop smart. I want to save money. I do not need many clothes. Michael looks at me. He asks if I am okay. I smile and say yes. I feel calm again. We keep looking together. Finally, I find another shirt. The color is light blue. The fabric feels soft and clean. The size is right for me. The price is cheap. I feel happy and proud. I think about my choice. I choose something simple. I choose something useful. I do not choose the expensive jacket. I feel smart and relaxed. The quiet music continues. The bright lights shine above us. I feel safe in this store. Shopping does not feel stressful now. I feel confident about my choice. Stop. Let's look at a word together. The first word is discount. Discount means a lower price. The store cuts the price. You pay less money. This is good for you. Example sentence. There is a discount on this shirt. Now, let's look at the next word. The word is sale. Sale means many items have lower prices. Stores use sales to help customers save money. Sales can be short or long. Example sentence: This store has a big sale today. In many Western stores, sales are very common. You often see sale signs in red. You can look at them without stress. This is normal shopping culture. Now, let's look at another word. The word is cheap. Cheap means the price is low. Cheap does not always mean bad. Some cheap clothes are good and useful. Example sentence: This shirt is cheap and comfortable. Next, let's look at one more word. The word is expensive. Expensive means the price is high. You need more money to buy it. Expensive items are not always better. Example sentence: This jacket is expensive. Now let's compare cheap and expensive. Cheap clothes cost less money. Expensive clothes cost more money. Both can look nice. The choice depends on you. I like to look at the price tag. The price tag shows the cost. Looking at price tags is normal. You do not need to feel shy. Smart shoppers always check prices. Remember this: discount and sale help you save money. Cheap can be a good choice. Expensive is not always necessary. Shopping can be calm and simple. Michael and I stand near the shirts. A shop assistant walks to us. She smiles and looks friendly. Shop assistant: Hello, can I help you, Sophia? Yes, please. Thank you. I hold a light blue shirt. I look at the price tag. I want to be sure. Sophia: How much is this shirt? Shop assistant: It is $20. There is a small discount today. I nod my head. I feel calm. The price feels okay. Sophia: Thank you. Then I look at the size tag. I want the right size. Comfort is important to me. Sophia: Do you have this in a smaller size? Shop assistant: Yes. Please wait. She walks away. Michael stands next to me. He looks at the shirt too. Michael, it looks nice. Simple, clean. I smile. I like his words. Sophia: Yes, I like it too. It feels soft. The shop assistant comes back. She holds another shirt. Shop assistant: Here you are. This is a smaller size. Sophia: Thank you very much. I check the shirt again. The size feels right. The fabric feels soft on my skin. Then I see another jacket nearby. The jacket is dark and heavy. It looks very stylish. The price tag is big. I look at the number. The price is high, very high. Michael looks at me. He waits. He does not push me. Sophia: This jacket is expensive. Michael: Yes, it is very expensive. I pause for a moment. I think quietly. I listen to my feelings. Sophia: I do not need it. I already have a jacket. Michael smiles. He nods slowly. Michael: That is a smart choice. I agree. I feel good inside. I feel supported. There is no pressure. I turn back to the shop assistant. Sophia: I will take the shirt, not the jacket. Shop assistant: That is fine. Good choice. Sophia: Thank you. We walk toward the counter. I feel light and calm. I buy one simple item. I do not buy many things. Inside my mind, I feel peaceful. I think about money. I think about choice. I do not need many clothes. I want clothes that fit my life. I want clothes that feel comfortable. Buying less feels good. Buying better feels right. Money does not feel stressful now. Michael walks with me. We talk softly. The music in the store stays quiet. I feel proud of myself. Shopping feels simple today. I choose calmly. I choose wisely. Money is not a problem now. Money feels like peace. I smile as we leave the counter. Now, let's practice together. Please, relax. Listen to my voice. Repeat after me. First sentence. I will say it slowly. This shirt is cheap. Pause. Now you say it. Pause. Good. Now I say it again. A little faster. This shirt is cheap? Very good. Now, the second sentence. Listen carefully. There is a discount. Pause. Now you say it. Great job. Now I say it again. There is a discount. Nice and clear. Now, the third sentence. This sentence is important. I do not need expensive clothes. Pause. Now you say it. Pause. Well done. Let's say it one more time, together. I do not need expensive clothes. You are doing very well. Your English sounds calm and clear. Now let's do a small quiz. This is easy. Listen to the question. Which sentence is correct? A. This shirt is cheap. B. This shirt is cheaply. The correct answer is A. This shirt is cheap. Good job. Now one more practice. Please speak alone. Say one sentence about shopping. You can say, this shirt is cheap. Or, there is a discount. Take your time. Speak slowly. You are doing great. Today, Michael and I went shopping together. We stayed calm. We looked at prices. We made smart choices. I did not buy many clothes. I bought one simple shirt. It feels comfortable. It feels right. This is what I believe. Smart shopping gives me a calm mind. Simple clothes are enough for me. I feel peaceful when I save money. Shopping does not need to be stressful. You can choose slowly. You can choose wisely. Now, I want to ask you a question. What about you? Do you like cheap clothes or expensive clothes? Tell me in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I am grateful you are here. Bye-bye.